Happy Wins Wednesday. This is Paula Williams with ABCI, and today we are on site in Galveston, Texas. It's a great place to be. We actually have a place that's overlooking the ocean, so it's a little bit distracting and things like that. But meanwhile, this is not my office, so you're seeing a strange background from me. Anyway, I wanted to talk today about AeroSearcher and some of the things that they do. So they are in an agreement with In-Flight USA magazine, so you can always find it on their website. I'm going to show you some of the cool things that you can do with AeroSearcher on the In-Flight USA website. So here I am on the In-Flight USA website, which is a nice place to be and has always been a nice place to be because there's some really good information about aviation, some really great articles on here as a search engine for other things. So if I'm looking for an airplane for sale or jobs or parts or products or photos. So I am in Galveston, Texas. We're right next to NASA facility here, the Space Center Houston. And we went to the Space Center last weekend and everybody was talking about Tweety birds, which is a trainer that I'm not familiar with. I don't know what a Tweety bird is, I'm embarrassed to say. So I'm going to look at Google, first of all, to kind of show you the difference of how this works. So if I go to Google and I go to Google Images and I look for Tweety bird, not surprisingly, this is what I get. And that's not really helpful in terms of a trainer that was used at NASA. Or a trainer that's used for fighter pilots. So instead, I'm going to go to this AeroSearcher box on the In-Flight USA site, and I'm going to look for Tweety bird. Now, there's not a lot of great stock photography in aviation, and you may have heard me complain about that before. There's a few really great pictures on iStock, on Getty Images, on PhotoBucket, on DreamsTime, and things like that. But there's not a ton of great stock photography. But if I want to find out what a Tweety bird looks like, this is a great place to find images. And it's got the copyright image right there. So, of course, if I wanted to use this image, I know where to go to find it. And now I know what a Tweety bird is. And I know where there are some images. And also I know where to get commercial and editorial use of this image if I wanted to use this in a, something that I was working on as a marketing project. So that's really helpful to me. This is kind of cool. I didn't realize that this was a two-seat trainer and so on, and it has probably a lot of history to it. But looking for pictures of aircraft, especially interesting aircraft or uncommon aircraft, is not always easy, but it certainly is a whole lot easier using this little box from AeroSearcher. So anyway, thanks for joining us for Wins Wednesday, and I hope we will see you next week.